JavaTCoding. My name is Sanjay Kumar and today I will talk about Java 14 new features. Yes, Java 14 is introduced is amazing feature. It's very helpful for Java developer. So first feature is helpful null pointer exception. So this is a very important features which is introduced in Java 14. Second is pattern matching for instance of. Third one is the switch expression. Fourth, records, text block. These are the main important features which is introduced in Java 14. So let's start with the first feature. It's a null pointer exception. Right, null pointer exception. Every Java developer is faced the null pointer exception, and it is a time taking to fix this exception, because every time you need to debug the code so and find out the where is the null pointer exception is exactly occurring, right? But in Java 14, sorry, from the Java 14 there is no worry about that, because Java 14 is enhance the null pointer exception by showing the precisely which variable was null. It is exactly show the detail which variable is null, so that we can fix directly that variable, right? This is the advantage. No need to debug of the code. Because why? Because Java 14 provide the exact value where is the problem, which variable is causing the null pointer exception, right? And if you got the variable, then easily we can fix. This another advantage. So these what things we need to remember to use this null pointer exception helpful feature in Java 14. Firstly, you have to make sure in your machine Java 14 should be installed, right? If you not installed, please, I have already made the video for the Java 14 how we can set up the Java 14 on your Windows machine, right? After installing the Java 14, you need to set the, it's a VM argument like this. Make sure you have to set the VM argument -xx plus colon plus show code details in exception message as shown in the screenshot. It's a by default it's a disabled. We need to enable that VM argument by adding this VM argument, so as we can see in the screenshot, right? So let's see this null pointer exception, how we can fix that null pointer exception, how we can write the code in Java 14 with the example. So here is the, I have created a one project, and here is the main class. This is the test application main method. Now I will create another class, new Java class. This is the person. Inside the person class I will create a, because person have the name, so I will create another class name and generate the getter setter for this. Go to the generate option. Here is the getter and setter. Click OK. Now we need to create a name class. Here is the name class, string first name, string last name, right? Also you need to generate the getter setter for this also. Go to the generate getter setter. Okay, now two classes and ready. Person class has the name class, and name class has the two fields, first name and last name. This is the person and this is the class name class. Now go to the test application. Now we need to create the person class object. Person p new person. Person, right? System dot out dot println p dot name dot first name. Right, let's run this application. It's building. Now here we can see on the line number 7, here is the null pointer exception, right? But I have run this code on the Java 8 1.8, right? So here we are not able to find for null pointer exception in which variable for we are getting the null pointer exception, right? But if you are running this exactly code on the Java 14, then you will see the difference. So just I am go to the change the Java version. Here I will select Java 14, apply, OK, and go to the run edit configuration. We need to provide the VM argument, VM options to show the exact detail where is the problem. Also we need to select the GRE here, Java 14, Java 14, apply, OK. Now let's run. You will see the difference. Yes, this is the main difference. This code is executed on Java 14, JDK 14. So here is the cannot read the first name. This is the first name because p dot name is null. This variable having the variable having the null value. That's why we are getting the null pointer exception. But before the Java 14, we cannot say directly the name this variable is having the null value. That's why we are getting the null pointer exception. But from the Java 14 we can say particular variable, this variable is having null. Now I will show you in different scenario. Out dot println p dot name p dot get name dot first name, control s. Now we can see right now we are first name, p dot name is null. Now I am trying to provide the name. Run. Cannot read the first name because p dot name null is still null, right? If now you will see the difference. Okay, here is the person. I am providing the null, assigning null value to the person. Then now also we will get to know person p is having the null value. That's why we are not able to get the value. Yes, cannot read the field's name because the p is null, right? Comment this one and let's see for this. Now you can see cannot read the null pointer exception thrown cannot read the first name cannot be read because the return value person.getName is null, right? This particular statement is returning null value, that's why we cannot read the first name, right? So in this way we can identify where is the null pointer exception is occurred easily from the Java 14. It's a very amazing feature, it's a very time saving, no need to debug, right? So in the next video I will explain the next amazing feature of Java 14, which feature is pattern matching for the instance of, right? So that's it from this video. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.